Hey, what's up everybody in Surrey? My name is Ruploops and I'm here to show you how to bake beats in your kitchen today. We're gonna need a few, little things from our kitchen in order to make a little bit of sound, and hopefully we'll make a little band a little bit later. I'll be right back. Woo! Alright, I think we're ready. So what we have here are some basic things you'll find in a lot of kitchens. Now, we're going to make sounds with this with both our fingers and using some things like a whisk and some chopsticks as we go along. Let's start off over here with this big metal bowl. Now, this makes all sorts of great sounds. Anything metal and thin generally has a great tone to it, like this. And then check this out. What I can do with this is turn it on its side and play some little rhythms on the back. And then, different size metal bowls make different sounds. We have this one. And then on its side. So we got a couple of different metal bowls. Now right here we have just a plastic pail, and this makes a great little hand drum. You can use an ice cream bucket and different things too. I like to just put it under my arm like this and go something like this. And that's good times right there. Next up, we're going to move over to this little tiffin right here. And now this, again, a little metal bowl with a cover this time. And this one makes tons of cool sounds like... Good times right there. Next up, this whisk and this pot. Now, I love this because you can make these swishing sounds inside of this like this. And then you can do stuff like this too. It's good times right there. Now, I want to show you one thing I like to use. Instead of drumsticks in the kitchen, they can get a little bit loud. So I like to use chopsticks. And I like bare chopsticks like this because they make a little softer of a sound. And then I also like to take chopsticks and turn them into a mallet just by putting a little elastic band on the situation. Now, check this out. We have this little mason jar right here. Okay? And, it's got some good sound like that. But we're going to check it out with a little bit of water put into it too. Now let's see what kind of sounds that makes when we turn it and we have the water hitting the edge. Some good sounds right there. Now, that's not the only thing we can do with water here. I want to show you really quickly how you can build a water drum. First, we're going to take this metal bowl and we're going to fill it full of water. Now that we have this metal bowl with water in it, what we're going to do is take a wooden bowl and stick it on top, upside down. Now this makes a pretty cool sound, gives us a nice bass drum in the kitchen. So, we are kind of set up here for our kitchen jam. We're going to layer all these together now. Now, let's start off with our bass drum here. We're going to keep it nice and simple because when we're playing music together with other people, it's like a conversation. So we want to keep things nice and simple and make sure every voice is heard. Let's start right here. And that's how we can put together an entire band in the kitchen. Now, at 7 o'clock every day, we're all making noise for our frontline responders who are keeping us safe and healthy in these trying times. Now, my challenge to you and your family is to everybody get together in the kitchen and pick some utensil, some instrument, some metal pot, some pan, and get them all together and make a little jam band at 7 o'clock. I'd love for you to video those and send those on in to us, because we would love to see these challenges happen with families all around Surrey. All right, next up what we're going to do is take some of these instruments and head on over to my loop station and do a little bit of live looping with them. Welcome to my loop station, everybody. Now, what's fun about this is that when I hit this button right here, it records my voice like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. And I can layer up all sorts of different sounds in it. Now, let's start off with a little beatbox. We'll go right here, okay? Check it out. Now, let's check out what kind of sounds we can put in using our mason jar right here. Moving on to our little tiffin. Now we gonna make another sound. Come in this place and we spice it all around. Now this is how we do it and we in your town. So this is how we go it and we came to get down. Now we make music with anything we can. You can grab a pot or you can grab a pan. We can put it all together all across this land. Here we go and we come to understand. Cause I am, you are, we are all stars. 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 Now, I'm wondering who in your family has the best dance moves out there? We're gonna check it in this next little section. Let's get you all moving. Here we go. Break down, now we gonna dance to the rhythm. Move with the vision and it's all in precision. Cause this is how it goes with the booms and the baps. We take it all back with a little bit of rapping. Beatboxing the sounds that go. We got a tiff in, now it's time to grow. So now we do it with every little sound. Move it with the rhythm and we spin it all around. So bring it all back with the sound of the drum. Now we gonna do it with a little bit of tongue. Say I am, you are, we are all stars. 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 It's been fantastic being here with you today. Thank you so much for participating and taking part. I hope you and your family are keeping healthy and safe out there. Until next time, my name is Ruploops. You take care of each other, okay? Peace.